Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're learning all the rhymes and having fun at your homes. So, welcome back to Learn Power from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And our today's rhyme is thank you. Do you know when do we say thank you? Yes, when we ask something from someone and वो जब काम कर देते हैं हमारे लिए तो हमें क्या बोलना चाहिए? We should say thank you to them. Okay? Thank you is a magical word. Do you know? Thank you is a magical word. When we say thank you to others, they feel nice and they love us so much. Okay? So I will tell you a rhyme about thank you and you will listen it very carefully. Okay? Let's start the rhyme. See, it's a rhyme about thank you. So please get up everyone and you all will sing the rhyme with me and do the actions with me. Okay? Let's start. My hand says thank you with the clap, clap, clap. You all have to do this with me. You have to clap with me. Okay? Tell you once again. My hand says thank you with the clap, clap, clap. My feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. You know how to tap with your feet? Like this. Okay? Stomp your feet. It's called tapping. Okay? Once again. My feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. I turn around and touch the ground with the bow. I say thank you now. Okay? You know how to bow? Like this. You know how to touch the ground? Yes, like this. You touch the ground. Okay? Chali, once again we will sing the rhyme. Okay? Let's start. My hands say clap, clap, clap. How do you clap your hands? Like this. Okay? Let's start once again. My hands say thank you with the clap, clap, clap. My feet say thank you with the tap, tap, tap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. I turn around and touch the ground. And with a bow, I say thank you now. Very good. So you should say thank you whenever you ask something from someone. Okay? If someone gives you something, you should say thank you. If someone helps you, you should say thank you. Okay? Please don't forget to say thank you to anyone, be it your cousin, be it your parents, be it your teachers, be it anyone. You should always say thank you to them. Okay? Now, please keep practicing this rhyme. I will see you in the next video. Till then, class, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.